Hello guys, today we're gonna play new magic. And look, there's a coin, and I gotta manage this coin. Boom.
Wow!
Tantanang. Guys, today we're gonna make tornadoes. Whoa, what a big tornado. Today we're gonna make apple volcano. First, you need some apple and put it here
Good job.
and put some baking soda.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Looks
Then
like snow already. And that's okay.
what is this?
Food coloring.
Then
And vinegar.
okay.
What?
Okay.
Oh my god! Hello guys, we're gonna show you cool magic. How many circles are there? Four. Okay, I'll make it five. I cover up with my hand, but it's actually rainbow.
It's not falling.
Yes, look,
How do you do it?
Wow!
Oh my god. We're going to put some food color to the vinegar. And yeah, I guess. Oh, looking good.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow, looks so cool. We're gonna add baking soda. It's getting upper. It's getting upper. Oh. my god! Let's put some more in there. There. Let's put some more vinegar. There. Whoa. Look like a volcano. Let's put some more here. We have to run away this time. Guys, we're going to make magic milk. It's super easy. All you need is milk, cotton, and food coloring. First, let's add some milk. Do you know where? Let us pour milk here. It's going this way. It's going this way.